In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Mailchimp email using the video block. If you've ever wanted to showcase a YouTube or Vimeo clip in your newsletter without complicated code, this is the simplest, most reliable way. We'll place a clickable video thumbnail right inside your email so readers can tap it and watch on the video's page. Start by heading into your Mailchimp account and going to the Campaigns section. This is the hub where all of your drafts and sent campaigns live, so it's the perfect place to pick up where you left off. Open the email campaign you want to edit. You can choose a draft you've been working on, or duplicate a past one if you prefer to maintain consistent branding. Once your campaign is open, click Edit Design. This launches the email builder, where you control the layout, content, and styling. You'll see your template on the left and the content panel on the right. Take a moment to glance at your sections and decide where a video will make the most impact, usually near the top, after a short introduction, so it's immediately visible. Now, locate the video content block in the panel and drag it into your email layout. Drop it where you want the thumbnail to appear. Placing it thoughtfully helps your readers know what to expect and keeps the design clean. If needed, you can adjust spacing and alignment later to match your brand's look and feel. With the block in place, paste the direct video URL from YouTube or Vimeo into the field provided. Use the full link rather than a shortened one for best results. And make sure your video's privacy settings allow it to be viewed by your audience. The link should point to the video's watch page, not a channel or playlist. Mailchimp will automatically generate a video thumbnail with a play button overlaid. This visual cue tells readers it's clickable, and when they click, they'll be taken to the video on its original platform for smooth playback. You can fine-tune alignment, padding, and surrounding text so the thumbnail feels integrated with your message. Consider adding a brief caption or headline that sets context, and use descriptive alt text for accessibility. Before you finalize your campaign, give it a quick preview and click the thumbnail to confirm it opens the correct video. That's all it takes. You've added a compelling, click-worthy video preview to your Mailchimp email, ready to boost engagement and guide readers straight to your content.